Today I will talk about Dino and compare Dino with Node.js side by side. Hello guys, Kuntal is back here again with another video. If you like this video helpful, please hit the like button. So Dino is a general purpose JavaScript and TypeScript programming environment. It's created by Ryan Dahl, who created Node.js, and it's built using Rust. So there was actually this article that Ryan Dahl created a few years ago about some problems he had with Node.js, some things that had blown up about it that he was not happy about, and especially with the NPM package manager. And I think Dino kind of came out because of that. So $1,000,000 question, will Node.js die soon? Of course, Dino is much better than Node.js. That's true. Wealth of experience and knowledge gained over building Node.js. So there's no surprise if Dino is better. But a technology is not only evaluated by its capabilities. That's just one of the factors. Uses and support are more important players. And Dino is not quite there because it is too young. So I think Node.js won't be dying immediately. Don't get me wrong, Node.js is a great server-side JavaScript runtime in its own right, mostly due to its vast ecosystem and the uses of JavaScript. However, Dahl admits there are few things he should have thought about more: security, modules, and dependencies. So New Dino improves all those gaps, and maybe after a couple of years it can take over Node.js. But that will not happen now, so don't get panicked. Okay, now let's compare head-to-head between Node.js and Dino. Node.js is based on C++, uses the V8 engine to execute JavaScript code. The V8 engine itself was originally developed for Google Chrome to execute JavaScript in the browser very quickly. Meanwhile, even the Microsoft Edge version is based on V8. Dino also relies on the V8 engine, but instead of C++, Dino is based on Rust, a programming language that is supposed to deliver similar good performance as C++, but also places special emphasis on security. Node uses centralized NPM. In Node.js, you load CommonJS modules using the required keyword. It's fully dependent on NPM. Dino does not use NPM. It uses modules referenced as URLs or file paths. Dino modules can be hosted anywhere. There is no centralized repository for third-party modules. In addition, modules are always cached and compiled locally and are not updated unless you explicitly ask for a refresh. The package.json file is the heart of Node.js system. It is the manifest file of any Node.js project and consists of the metadata of the project. Dino does not use package.json in its module resolution algorithm. To compile TypeScript in Node, you have to install and set up a compiler. On the other hand, Dino supports both JavaScript and TypeScript out of the box. You read that right. If you are a fan of TypeScript, then Dino's got you covered. No need for external tooling. By default, the transpilation in JavaScript is done internally, so no need to worry about that. Among the most important of Dino's feature is its focus on security. As opposed to Node, Dino by default executes the code in a sandbox, which means that runtime has no access to file system, the network, execution of other scripts, or the environment variables. So that's a plus point for Dino. So that was our Dino introduction video. On next video, we will take a deep dive and write some code in Dino. Check description box for next video's links. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I upload programming related videos regularly. Like this video and share with your friends. That's all. See you in my next video. I am Kuntal, signing out for today.